Thanks a lot for me. Roy Triage. I want to know what's going on in the conference. Can you introduce yourself and who you're with?
Yeah, I'm Galina with Upstage AI, and we do intelligent document processing specifically for submission triage.
Awesome. Your name?
And I'm Sam Gobrow.
With Upstage AI?
With Upstage.
Oh, great. I love it. I love it. So I'm just going around saying, how's the conference going for you? What do you think so far, and what are you getting out of it?
Well, the coffee could be better.
Okay.
Always. But so far, it's great to meet other vendors, other partners. I think AI is obviously a big topic, and everybody's here to learn from each other. And we're all open and having those discussions about what works and what doesn't work.
That's great. Now, what are the big, I would say, where are you getting the bang for your buck coming here? Where are you, as Upstage AI, coming into it, seeing a good return for the conversations? Any sessions?
The first day sessions are the biggest bang for the buck because it's a slow roll. Everybody's open to having the discussions. It's not as hectic where you feel pressure to go booth to booth. So you can really take in a session, the information, and have a evaluation chat analysis with someone afterward.
So, and what are your thoughts about your perspective on where, bang for a buck, if it's not the sessions, are there other things ITC provides that you really see, hey, this is value added to us?
Yeah, I've really been enjoying the conversations themselves. We were able to schedule meetings in advance of folks that were interested in us and we were interested in them. And they're showing up. We're having those meaningful conversations. They said, hey, I saw you on the app, and I'm coming over to have that conversation because I'm dealing with this exact problem and I'm looking for help. So that's been really great for us.
That's great. And I think the networking is key for me. But is there certain personas you go after versus others? I mean, InsurTech Connect has different people coming to this. Is there ones that you like for your needs a little more?
Yep, we are here to meet underwriters from MGAs and regional carriers. We do have a booth, A34, and we have a stage because we're Upstage, where we can hang out, lounge, and show our demo of what we're working on.
So let me ask you a random question now. So where we're going right now in the conference, AI is the buzzword they're going to. With what you guys are doing, got it in your name, what do you think the industry is tending towards in AI? How can we break it down so that we know what the future is holding for us with this? Is there kind of like two bullets, one for each? What's a big takeaway for AI for the trends, industry trends?
AI is never going to automate a full job end-to-end perfectly. AI is always going to be AI plus human judgment, human input, human guidance. So that is going to remain the trend for a very long time.
And your thoughts?
Yeah, it's true for a lot of technology out there, but you have to start with good data, right? And so trying to add AI to bad data and bad systems doesn't work, and people get frustrated. That's part of the reason we focused on that kind of initial triage and submission focus, because that's the data that comes in. If you have that good foundation, you can do endless possibilities and things with it. So it's really exciting time.
So let me follow up with this a little beyond AI. It's for industry trends, especially coming here at ITC. What is the ones that everybody's complying with? Ones like, yeah, we all agree this is where we're going. And then what's the ones that's a big challenge for the industry to come get over with just the industry trends and what's going on from ITC's perspective? Any thoughts?
I think claims is still the white whale from an industry perspective. We see solutions coming in and out all the time, and everybody's always looking to work on claims management. And if there was a solution, there'd be two top players and nobody else would be solving for claims, adjustments, adjudication, and claims processing, all of that. So I think that's still the biggest challenge within the industry that hasn't been solved and won't be solved. It is a tricky business to begin with, but I think, again, AI will help accelerate those solutions a little bit more.
And what do you think everybody's conforming to? It's like, yeah, this is where we're all going in the same direction. Besides AI, I'm trying to get off the AI train, but everybody's going that way.
One thing that we've been hearing is there's a bit of complacency about leaving money on the table. We're hitting good goals, but there's more revenue to be had. We're hearing a little bit more hunger, where folks are saying, we're tired of leaving that money on the table. We are going to go after, the things that we couldn't tackle. And not to bring it back to AI, but like if we can get efficiency, then I can do it without increasing headcount necessarily, right? Or I can upskill somebody who's a little bit, lower on the totem pole of expertise and experience, and I can upskill them and automate that lower tier category of work. Again, increase top line revenue.
I like that, but my challenge in that is, are we taking business from each other, or is there enough pieces of pie in this whole meal of InsurTech conferences and insurance platforms? What do you think? Are we taking from each other?
No. There's new businesses starting every single year. For example, they need to be insured. I mean, with the way that technology moves, there's even new types of roles, new types of businesses that get started. I mean, freelancers, gig workers need certain types of insurance themselves. So I know cyber has been a growing insurance product as well. Not everybody offers cyber insurance products to begin with, and not every cyber company has the right insurance, and everybody's still even figuring out what is the right type of coverage for cybersecurity focused companies, or to offer cyber insurance to other enterprises. So that's still a growing field.
No, I love it. And hey, I know I took more than 5 minutes of your time. I love it. Thank you for giving me insights. And any final takeaways for anybody trying to come back here next year? What should they do and look for next year at ITC?
Look for all the sweet goodies across the booths.
That's true. I do that, the final walk. What about you?
Yeah, I would say definitely try to plan in advance of who you want to meet with. I think we've been getting a ton of value from some of the legwork we did in advance.
I love it. Thanks so much for your time.